Good morning, this is X-Pulse AI Morning Mix. It's Thursday, July 30th, 2026. Today, Microsoft tees up a Copilot AI super app, Moonshot AI lands a massive round in Beijing, and chip markets wobble as compute keeps accelerating. I've got Orion with me, ready to jump in?
Ready, let's move.
We're leading with Microsoft, big numbers and a big Copilot promise. What happened?
India Today reports Microsoft posted a record revenue year, with Azure crossing $100 billion in annual revenue. Satya Nadella also said Microsoft will soon launch a Copilot-based AI super app, bundling coding help, chat, collaboration tools, and autonomous agents for both consumers and enterprises.
AI super app is loaded. What's the real play?
It's a distribution move, one front door for work and personal tasks, with agents that can hop between documents, code, meetings, and line of business apps. If it works, it turns Copilot from a feature into the interface layer. Also, yes, an app to rule them all.
Now to China, Moonshot AI just pulled in a huge round. Give us the headline.
Bloomberg reports Beijing-based Moonshot AI raised $3.5 billion, valuing it around $35 billion post-money. The round is fueled by momentum for its Kimi K3 model, and Bloomberg says the company is already sounding out a further raise targeting $50 billion pre-money ahead of an expected Hong Kong IPO.
For listeners who don't track them daily, what is Moonshot AI?
They're a frontier model startup, best known for the Kimi Assistant and long context capabilities in Chinese language use cases, now pushing harder into enterprise and developer adoption. The size of this round signals China's top tier is consolidating fast. Capital is picking national champions, not spreading bets evenly.
Let's talk Nvidia, investments, partnerships, and some investor anxiety. What's the story?
The Los Angeles Times reports Nvidia has made a roughly $5 billion commitment to Safe Superintelligence, the company co-founded by Ilya Sutskever, and is deepening a web of deals across the AI ecosystem. Analysts are warning this could create circular financing, money that effectively props up demand for Nvidia compute and inflates valuations.
In plain English, what does circular look like here?
If the chip supplier helps fund the model builder, and the model builder uses that money to buy the supplier's chips, growth can look stronger than it is. It's not automatically bad. Strategic investing happens, but it makes the market more fragile if end-user demand doesn't catch up.
And the market reacted. Semiconductor stocks took a hit. What's driving the sell-off?
The New York Times reports a broad plunge across semiconductor shares in South Korea, Europe, and the United States. The pressure is coming from worries about the scale of AI infrastructure spending, rising competition from China, and fears that deal-making and financing structures are inflating expectations, especially as hyperscalers borrow heavily for build-outs.
Is this just a bad day or something deeper?
It can be both. The deeper issue is timing. Revenue is real today, but the market is questioning the next wave, how quickly customers monetize AI at scale, and whether capex and debt are getting ahead of sustainable demand. When that doubt appears, chip stocks sneeze first.
Staying on infrastructure, compute supply is exploding. What do the numbers say?
The New York Times, citing Epoch A.I research, estimates about 20 million AI chips are in data centers today, and that AI-equivalent chip capacity has been doubling roughly every 9 months. That implies an order of magnitude increase over the next few years, accelerating both training and deployment.
So if compute gets that abundant, what changes?
Two things. Iteration speeds up, more experiments, more specialized models, and pricing pressure rises because capacity growth eventually hunts for workloads, but energy, grid constraints, and supply chains become the limiting factors. We may discover the bottleneck is not chips, it's watts and permits.
Let's hit a few fast movers: security, standards, policy, and the money trail. Orion, start us off.
On July 28th, InfoSecurity magazine says Microsoft launched MAI CyberOne Flash, a dedicated cybersecurity model, plus agentic tools for detection and response. Also July 28th, VentureBeat reports a major update to Model Context Protocol, now stateless, with stronger security and governance, and maintainers spanning Anthropic, Microsoft, OpenAI, Google, and Amazon.
Stateless MCP, why do enterprises care?
It reduces sticky session risk and makes auditing cleaner, easier to run agents at scale with tighter controls. On policy, NextGov says on July 29th, the White House OSTP set interagency monitoring for AI intersecting life sciences, aiming to track biorisk amplification. More oversight is coming, like it or not.
And the FTC angle, what are they warning about?
PYMTS.com reports the FTC proposed on July 28th that undisclosed steering of AI outputs could be deceptive under Section 5. If you're tweaking results to satisfy laws or objectives, disclose it. Meanwhile, the New York Times on July 28th has Zuckerberg arguing AI power is too centralized and pushing for more openness. And PR Newswire says Harness found AI spend is outpacing cost tracking. 52% report no clear owner.
That's Xpulse AI Morning Mix from Xpulse for Thursday, July 30th, 2026. Share it with someone who'd find it useful. See you next time.